Hello guys, it's Tessy here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, All Things Tessy E. Today is your first time of coming to my YouTube channel or seeing my face. You're welcome. So today's video is about how to do your smaller knotless boss braid. My hair is already washed and moisturized. You need your braiding hair and edge control, rat combs, and tons of water because you need it for your hydration. So now it's time for the braiding aspect. But before I'm taking the hair that I'm not braiding at the moment and put it in a little bond, okay? And right now it's just to untwist it, unravel the twist and brush it out. Okay, the back of my hair is always a struggle, okay, because I can't see behind my back and I don't have mirror. I mean, at this moment, I don't have mirror with me parting the hair, but I'll use my edge control to guide me through the line and I will do the rest off camera. Now, getting to the front part is always much more easier to pattern because I can see what I'm doing, even if the pattern is not that neat, but at least it's more easier on me. Oh, the seriousness on my face. Honestly, I'm not mad. I'm not mad or anything. I'm just focused, trying to get this pattern straight, okay? I try to take my time at the front. When I get to the front, I try to take my time with the pattern because the front of the hair is the part you see most, okay? The back, that's not a big deal, but the front, you have to pay a little more attention to the front of the hair. That's when your edge control will do the trick. With the help of the edge control, you can get it right, even if not perfect, but almost perfect. And I love to part my hair down. It saved me more time. It saved me time, and it keep it more easy for me. It's just after the parting, the next step is just pick and braid. So it's more easier on me that way. And if you see here, my hair is in twist. Like I said, I'm trying to cut back on using heat on my hair. So I let my hair air dry overnight in those twists. And I have a video of how I prep my hair before protective styling. So I will install the video, or I will have the video in my description bar or in my card so that you can watch that, okay? And make sure when you are doing your braids or you are doing your protective styling by yourself, I tend to do mine in the weekends, maybe Saturday. So if I couldn't round up on Saturday, I'll round up on Sunday so you have more free time. And for me, at this point, it's becoming something I love to do. I feel relaxed whenever I'm doing my hair because I take my time, okay? And the second thing to do when you're braiding your own hair or doing your own hair, because it can be boring. So for me, I just look for a good movie or watch any YouTube videos I feel like watching to keep me busy and keep me going, okay? Because it can be boring. And I think the cool method to get this smaller knotless boss braid is just for your strand of braids to be smaller. That's just it. Just get your strand of braids to be smaller. You can see here I was checking the strand of my braids because I wanted to be smaller braids. Okay, so that's just it. Oh, I tried to get them to get to the perfect smaller strands, so I couldn't get all of them to be same. Some of them are thicker strands, while some of them are smaller. So, but all the same, we move, okay. And don't worry because I know braiding of hair video, it is just a repetitive system, but don't worry, I will fast forward the video so that it will bore you out, okay? Because I want you to watch to the end so you see the end result. And my gripping of braid is still not that tight, but I'm not complaining. It's my hair. I'm going to take it that way until I get it right. But for now, my grips are not that tight. Here I'm just checking. I'm feeling the braids because I don't want it to be too or heavy or anything like that, okay? The length, I went a little bit cray cray, okay? So now I need to hydrate myself because I was dehydrated. Like I told you, you need water to survive. Ooh, at this point, I was so excited. I can see only one, my victory dance. Yes, people, after hours and hours of survived this, now it's time to do some cleaning up. I just want to stand so that you see the length. I went a little bit overboard with the length. Honestly, look. And to get the braids in a more neater or smoother side, I did a little trimming, okay? And like I told you, the length was too long for me, so I just did this style, put it in a little knot, and to put in hot water so that I can trim it to the length I wanted or I wish for. So this is the next day. I'm all done trimming and all dust my face with some makeup. And I have about 96, if I'm not mistaken, 96 or 94 braids all together. Okay, achieve the goals of having my red hair. You can see the dark hair because my hair is really dark. I don't want to dye my hair for these braids, so I'm rocking it like this and I'm loving it. So this is the finished look. I went a little bit overboard with the length, but it's okay. After trimming and all, this is what the length is. I will stand up so that you can see the full length. If you've watched to this point and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, consider subscribing, give this video a like, and also leave a comment down below in the comment section if you've had this color of braids before, how you like them, or if you would like to get some colors in your hair. Let me know in the comment section below. I'm really loving this color right now. Thank you so much for always watching. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for likes. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I really appreciate it. Alright, see you on my next video. Bye. Yeah.